In this video, we're going to take a look at electrical connections on motorcycles, what to look for to find poor connections, and how to repair them. Let's get started. So I'm checking my wiring for problems, and I found a place where the mice chewed on my ignition coil wires. This is a common problem on older bikes, and you can see the little teeth marks and stuff, and this will have to be repaired, or I'll have all kinds of ignition problems. Looks like he was pretty hungry because he did the other one too. Yep, right here is another spot where the mouse chewed into it. So what I'm going to do is just cut this off right where he chewed it and re-strip it. A piece of heat shrink tubing. Twist the two together a little bit. Preheat the joint. And let it cool. Slide the heat shrink over top. Take the heat gun and heat the heat shrink tubing with some heat. Now that's a decent repair. So after I've made my repair to the wire, I want to check the push-on connector. Now I'll push it in, and here's where the problem is. See, if I grab this and pull it, it's loose, okay? This is to the points, and this is going to give me an intermittent connection and give me grief when this bike is running. So this is what I do. I take a piece of Scotch-Brite and I polish this connector up. Now these are brass, and some of them have solder on them because they're soldered, but I polish them up till they're shiny. Do the other one too. This is my ignition, and I want good dependable spark. Then what I do is I take a pair of needle nose pliers, and if you look in there, I squeeze this to tighten up the connection. Since this is a double one, I'll tighten that one up too. And now when I push it in there, it snaps in and it's tight. And a lot of times when these get old, you have to squeeze these little brass things a little bit. And you don't have to smash them. They get loose over time from all the bike's vibrations and things like that. Just snap it in and then tug on it and see if it moves. If it moves a little bit, it's not tight. If it snaps in tight, then I know it's good. And that's what they're saying when you need to check your connections. Well, you can look at them and you can't tell. But if you pull on them a little bit, like this, if they move a little bit, if you feel them sliding, that's an intermittent connection, and that's where you'll have a problem. And you'll find quite a few of them, especially on older bikes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.